everybody. I'm going to do a flip cup. I did one earlier and had no silicone in it, and it was okay. Half of it had some cells, the other half was just white lacing. I was not lacing, but white, cloudy, funny, murky kind of white on it. I didn't care for it. Anyway, so I'm going to use 3 colors with some silicone Treadmill, just 1 drop in each. So I've got cerulean blue, cobalt blue, Daler-Rowney brilliant red. I'm going to put 1 drop. If you can see these. Just going to put 1 drop. There's only about an ounce of paint in here. Oh, this one's not even open. Not even open. Where did my silicone go? That's open. One drop of each. 1, 1, 1. Now I guess I have to give this a little stir. Not a lot. There. So move these here. I got some white Artist Loft in the bottom. So I've got turquoise green, which is Basics Bright Aqua Green, the Tex Basics. I have cadmium yellow light hue in this cup here. And then the red and the 2 blues, cobalt and cerulean. And then that's it. So, and then I'm not going to use as much white as I did the first time. I might just put it in the bottom and don't put any on the top. Actually, I should have, whatever. See what happens. Okay. And I use my tube paint now. I just use 1-to-1 mixture. I'll change my recipe and my description. It's changed. So 1-to-1 for tube paint. For craft paint, maybe 1 to 3/4 floetrol. And then the Artist Loft pouring, what do you call it? The Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, this one in the big jugs. I do the same as the craft paint. And then water to thin it. Okay, so I think I'll do yellow first. Change it up a little bit. Green. This is cobalt blue. Red. Cerulean blue. It's a lighter blue. I'll go back to the yellow again. Oops. Green. So this is 2 layers of each color. And the consistency is a steady stream off your stick, and it just forms a little mound and disappears. That's about it. And then the cerulean blue. I guess that's about it. I'll put a little bit of this green on top. And I think that's all. That's it, that's all. And this time I'm going to do this. I'm gonna 2 little cells. All right. I like cells. They're so pretty. I'm gonna flip it sideways, I think. These are the same colors that we're gonna use in a challenge that we're gonna do on our Facebook group. Of course, I'm not entering, I'm just trying it out. All right, I think it's done. Whoa. No, this is quite a big difference from before. Well, I do like this one better than the first one I did. I'm just trying to get that little bare spot there. All right, now I'll try and torch it. Well, I thought there would be more bigger cells, but oh, there's lots coming through here. So the blues had the silicone in it, and the red. this little corner here. Okay, I'm done with this. More coming through here. I wanted some more to come through here, but I don't think it's going to happen. Okay, thanks for watching. Come back soon to my art room. Check the description below for a link to our new Facebook page. I know I've talked about it for a while, but we're growing. I think we have over 100 now, but I'd like to get some more. So there's a link in the description. And join, and then you can post some of your own art on there. All right, be glad to see it all. All right, thanks for coming by. Have a great day. Bye. Here we go to look at the dried results. Look at those cool cells. My flip cup. I haven't done one of these for a while. Pretty colors: turquoise, blue. There's red in there somewhere. Red up here. All right. Thanks for coming by to my art room. Have a great day. Bye-bye.